Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual person, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. In an elite business party, all eyes were drawn to two powerful personalities of their fields. Min Yoongi, the king of shadows and darkness, and Park Jimin, the king of spotlight. One ruled the ruthless mafia world, while the other ruled over people's hearts. One was feared by everyone, while other was cherished as the heartbeat of the crowd. Nothing was common between them except their pride, and one thing they were most known for: their childhood rivalry. Guest 1. Look there! Is this Min Yoongi, the ruthless mafia king? Guest 2. Patted his shoulder. Look at other side, Park Jimin, the famous actor. Guest 3. Am I dreaming? The mafia king Min Yoongi and superstar Park Jimin are here. Guest 4. But what are they doing here? As far as I know, they weren't present at same place ever. Guest 5. Of course they have to present here, after all their parents' business party. Men. Park Jimin, can I get some bite? I'm huge fan of yours. What do you want to say to your fans? Jimin. Sure. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Cut off. Yoongi, while sipping his drink. How can they do well? They need to take immediately to mental hospital. After all, they are fans of clown. Jimin looked at Yoongi. Ah, this cheap swine can't mind his own business. All the time he needs to poke his nose in my matter. But nevertheless, Jimin charm, he can't survive without my attention. Yoongi, attention, and that too, a clown's. What a manifest. Jimin, casting pearls before swine. Yoongi, pearl, and you, what a joke. I would die by this joke. Jimin, while sipping his drink, see everyone, swine knew his place very well. That's the charm of Park Jimin. Everyone immediately get their right place. Yoongi, this clown with big duck lips is thinking himself a superstar. He needs a reality check. Jimin, a swine who lives in darkness, is talking about reality check. Do you even know the meaning of limelight? Yoongi, I don't need to know about your fake world. Jimin, still better than your dark world. Yoongi, don't forget I am king of mafia world whom everyone fears. Jimin, and I am the king of people's heart. They love me. And here we go. They both again started fighting and pulling each other down. They forget where they are standing. Name: Min Yoongi, age 28 years. Profession: Mafia King. Nature: ruthless, cruel, savage, egoistic, rude, arrogant, never listen to anyone. Hates Park Jimin the most. Name: Park Jimin, age 27 years. Profession: actor, nature, sweet, sassy, egoistic, arrogant, caring, stubborn, never listen to anyone, hates Min Yoongi the most. Mrs. Min, what's that noise? Mrs. Park, why is there so much crowd? Mr. Min, I think they again fight. Mr. Park, don't they know anything rather than fighting? I'm so done with them. Mr. Min, seriously, they never leave a single chance to fight. Mrs. Park, single chance? They fight on non existing topics. Mrs. Min, like breathing in same air. Mrs. Park, right. But Jimin is fire. He is always ready to burn. He should stop at least for his actor image. But no, if it's about Yoongi, then he will never take back step. I'm so done with this boy. Mrs. Min, if Jimin is fire, then Yoongi is fuel. He always poked Jimin first. He knew Jimin's anger very well, but still didn't ready to stop. He purposely adds fuel in Jimin's anger and provoke him to shout. Mr. Min, here we want to announce their marriage today, and there they are fighting like dog and cat. Mr. Park, correction Mr. Min, they are fighting like chicken cat. Mrs. Min, but the question is how do we can convince them for marriage? Mrs. Park looked at their lawyer. Jin, you are lawyer, give us some solution. Jin looked at her. I am lawyer, Mrs. Min, not any magician who do magic on their childish brain and make them fall in love. Mr. Park, Jin, don't say like this. You gave us best advice. Jin, I gave you advice how to prevent from problem, but here you want whole words in problem. Just think about people who will live around them. They both are brainless cartoon who will burn everything along with themselves. Mrs. Park, true, but isn't any way by that they agree to marry? Jin, if they live north and south pole after the marriage. June came there while holding drinks. I have an idea by which they will agree to live together as a couple. Jin looked at June. It's impossible. They can't stand together, and you are saying to live together as a couple. June gave him drink. You just drink and calm your mind. Your husband is here to help you. Jin, be careful, Juni. They will burn your coat too, just like they burned my chamber. June, nothing will happen like this, Ginny. I have full proof plan. Mr. Min, hopefully. What? June, if love can't bring them together, then responsibility will definitely come. Mr. Park, we gave them handle to one project together, but they set fire in the entire studio. June, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about to adopt kids and force them to raise together. Jin, why do you want to spoil innocent kids' life by giving them to careless and dumb people's hands? Mrs. Min, I agree with Jin. They are grown up men but behaving like children. They are thirsty of each other's blood. June, that was because since childhood they saw each other as their competitor because you love each other's child more than yours. Mr. Park, I'm ready for adoption. Tell me your plan. June, so my plan is very simple. We will told them the plan. How's it? Jin, impressed. Wow, Juni, first time your 148 IQ work at right time. Mr. Park, but will they agree? Yoongi is a mafia king. He will easily find out that it's fake setup, not real. Mr. Min, in front of Jimin. Yoongi's mind went blank. He lost his all the senses of thinking. We are ready. With that, Yunmin's parents, Namjoon, planned a fake scenario for trapping Yunmin and forced them to marry each other. Time skipped at next day. A fake courtroom was echoing in silence. Yunmin were sitting on opposite bench and glaring at each other. June as judge. Order in the court. We are here to discuss the custody of two innocent children, Taeyang and Jungkook, who became orphaned because of careless behavior of Min Yoongi and Park Jimin. Lawyer, Your Honor, because of Min Yoongi and Park Jimin's reckless behavior, two innocent children, Taeyang and Jungkook, became orphaned. I want justice for these innocent kids. Jin, Your Honor, my client Mr. Min and Park Jimin were only fighting. If because of them Taeyang and Jungkook's parents jumped from the building, then it wasn't my client's fault. My client are ready to pay compensation for Taeyang and Jungkook. Lawyer, money can't bring back their parents. Don't show the power of money. June, your point is valid. After hearing both the sides' story, court is came on this decision that Min Yoongi and Park Jimin directly weren't involved in this, but because of them, two innocent children became orphaned. So now they have to take the responsibility of both the children and do co parenting by staying together. Both the children are twins, so they can't be separated. Yunmin widened their eyes. What? No! He ran to Yoongi and hugged his legs. Dada! Cook ran to Jimin and hugged his legs. Mama! Yunmin looked at each other, then T-Cook. No! Yoongi angrily looked at Jin. Hyang! How can you lose the case? You never lost any case before. Jimin, Jun Yang is your husband. How can he give the verdicts against you? Jin, Juni is my husband outside of the court. Here he is a judge. Now nothing can happen. You have to stay together and raise them. Jimin, fine. Mom and dad will take care of them. Yoongi, mom and dad. You also help uncle and aunt. Jin, they are your responsibility, not your parents. You have to live like a couple. Yoongi, even if you are the last boy in the world, I would never look at you. Jimin, if you beg, I would never lower my standard for you. T-Cook, teary eyes. Mama, Dada. Mrs. Min, shut up both of you. Don't you have little bit humanity? Here these kids want their parents and you both are fighting. Yoongi, fine. Tell this clown to shift in my mansion. Jimin, Park Jimin, the superstar, never go in this swine's dark world. Shift in my luxurious apartment. Yoongi, Min Yoongi, the king of mafia world, will never come in your fake world. Mr. Min, shut up. We already brought a small house for you where you will live like a normal man, not as king and celebrity. Now go and pack your stuffs. Yunmin, okay. Left while glaring at each other. Jin looked at T-Cook. You did good, babies. Do you remember your next plan? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Cookie remember Ginny. T. And Titi too. Mission Mama Tata together. Yunmin came to a small house of one bedroom, kitchen, washroom and hall, which was very small for them but perfect to come them together. Namjin welcomed them along with Teacock. Jin, welcome new parents. June, this is your new home. Jimin, it's so small to move. How can I live here? No, I want a big mansion. And where are servants? Yoongi, where is meeting room and secret office? June, you aren't here as superstar, actor, and mafia king. You are the parent of two normal children. You have to live like a normal couple. Cookie tucked Jimin's pants. Mama, Cali cookie? Tea tucked Yoongi's pants. Dada, Cali Didi? Jin, see, they already choose you as your parents. Now behave well. You are parents. I already prepared dinner. Left. They all somehow had their dinner and went to sleep. Jimin came from washroom and applying mask, and Teacock started crying while looking at him and glanced to Yoongi, who was waiting for using washroom. Cook hugged Yoongi's right leg. Dada! T hugged Yoongi's left leg. Dada! Jimin walked towards them. Titi, Cookie, why are you crying, baby? Yoongi pulled Jimin's mask. If you will roam with this mask, then what will they do? You scared them, but it looks less scary than your real face. Jimin, what the hell are you doing? Do you know how expensive mask it was? Yoongi, mask my foot. What were you doing inside the washroom from past 2 hours? Have you slept there? Jimin, excuse me, I'm superstar. I need to take care of my skin. Yoongi, superstar my... Grabbed his stomach and ran to washroom after yanking Teacock. Teacock started crying more loudly. Dada! Jimin picked them in his arms. Mama is here. Placed them on the bed. Now let's sleep. Yoongi came out from washroom and saw Jimin and Teacock were laying on the bed. Where do I sleep? Jimin, on floor. Swine doesn't deserve to sleep with a superstar. Yoongi, you clown, better to shut your mouth, otherwise I will throw you outside. Teacock again started crying. Dada, Mama, fight. Jimin, no, please don't cry. Mama, Dada isn't fighting. Yoongi, yeah, I'm just asking, where should I sleep? Teacock shifted a little. Dada, come sleepy. Junmin lay down on the corner and Teacock slept in middle while hugging them. Jimin slept peacefully because he had the habit of sleeping while cuddling, but Yoongi didn't. Time skipped at next day. Jimin ordered food from outside and they all ate, but Teacock started vomiting because they weren't used to of outside's food. Jimin called his family doctor, Hobie. Hobie, how careless are you? Don't you know that small children shouldn't be fed outside food? You could probably kill them. Jimin, how do I know? I never handled any child before. Hobie, then learn. You can't play with small children's life. Anything could have happened. Yoongi, Hobie, let it be. He didn't do anything intentionally. We will be more careful. Hobie, you better be. Give them medicines. Give them these medicines timely and only homemade food. Looked at Teacock. Only homemade food you should eat, otherwise I will give you big monster needle. Showed them injection. Teacock scared. No, Kitty, Cookie, no needle. Yoongi, don't worry, Hobie, I will cook. Hobie, now I'm going take care of them. Time skipped after few days. Few days passed. Yunmin fully adjusted in a small house with tea cook. They still bickering, but not like before. Yoongi prepared food and Jimin played with tea cook and sung lullaby. When one was busy, others stayed at home and took care of children. Teacock were very naughty and troublemaker. All the time they were creating mess and Yunmin cleaned them. Tea. Cookie, we Titi strong. Cook. No. Cookie, no, we Cookie strong, Tata. Tea. Titi pretty, Mama. Cook. Throw mud on tea. Titi bad. Tea pushed Cookie on mud. Cookie bad too. Yoongi came outside while searching them. Titi, Cookie, where are you? Dada's meeting is over. Now I will feed you your lunch. Shocked to see them in mud. Just for few minutes I left you and you both again started fighting. What condition have you made yourself? Your mama is calling me swine, but you are looking like a swine. Now I have to give you bath again. Tiku started running. No, no, Patti, Patti. Yunki ran behind them and caught them by their clothes and walked towards the washroom while hanging them like a bag. Jimin picked the video call. What happened, swine? You can't live a day without me. Don't worry, I will come back soon. Yungi, mad. Do the hell with your work, you stupid clown. First tell me, did you use different baby soap to give them bath? Jimin, of course I did. Titi's soap is strawberry shape and Cookie's bunny. Titi loves to smell good and Cookie loves bubbles. Yungi, I wish I can shoot you, you stupid clown. Who the hell tell you to do this? Jimin, why are you shouting, swine? They are Park Jimin's sons. They deserve everything best. But why are you asking? What will you do with their baby soaps? Yungi switched the back. Look at them. I just left them alone for few minutes to attend my online meeting and they played in mud. Now they aren't ready to take bath by normal soap. Jimin, eyes widened. You strapped my little babies, you swine. Put them down. Yungi, no. First tell me where is their special soap? Here are thousands of useless products. Yungi, behind the mirror there is a shelf. There all the products are there. Now give my baby bath properly. They shouldn't smell like swine. Now I have to go. My shoot is ready. Director is calling me. Yungi, no. First help me to engage these little devils. Jimin, then accept without me you can't do anything. Yungi, will you help me or do I leave them here alone by hanging? Jimin, fine, I will help you. Yungi started talking with Teacock and make them laugh by making funny faces and playing with them. Yungi finally gave them bath. Yungi coldly, this is very important meeting. I don't want any carelessness. We have to expand our... Got a call from Jimin. Excuse me, this is very important call. Went to corner and picked it. I'm busy in very important meeting. Call me later. Jimin, don't you dare to cut the call, swine. I'm already very frustrated. Yungi, now what happened? Did you again used your makeup cream or Cookie paint the wall by your lipstick? Jimin, I'm not in mood, swine. Come back home fast. Yungi, I can't. This is very important meeting. But what happened? Tea cook while banging the spoon on the counter. Mama, food! Mama, food! Mama, food! Jimin, turned to Tea cook. Will you let me talk? Have you heard your kids? They are hungry and want food. You aren't here and I don't know how to cook. They are denying to eat fruits and outside food. Now, what will I do? Yoongi, prepare rice porridge for them. It's simple and prepare quickly. Jimin, I don't know how to make it. Yoongi, switch the call in video. I will instruct you. T looked at Yoongi. Nada, Didi hungry. Cook, Mama no food cookie. Jimin, yeah, complain more. I won't cook anything. Yoongi smiled. Don't be mad. Your pout becomes big. Cookie, Titi, food will be ready in few minutes. Dada is here now. Tea cook happily raised their hands. Yay! Tasty food! Yoongi instructed Jimin while talking with Tea cook and Jimin prepared the food. Everyone heard their conversation and became shocked to see Ruthless Mafia King smiling and talking softly. Time skipped after 3 months. 3 months passed. Yunmin were doing co-parenting while being busy in their works. They all were living like a small happy family. Tea cook's naughtiness made Yunmin laugh and bring them closer. Yunmin didn't even realize when by co-parenting they fell in love. Jimin went to abroad for his movie shooting. It was his first time staying away with Tea cook and Yoongi for a week. They were missing each other a lot. Yoongi showed Tea cook sleeping figure. See, they are sleeping peacefully. Jimin, they slept without hearing my lullaby. Yoongi, no, I recorded the lullaby and played for them. I called you, but your manager said you were busy in shoot. Jimin, oh, Yoongi, when will you come back? I mean, Tea cook are missing you so much. Jimin, and you? Aren't you missing me? Yoongi, no, why would I miss you? I'm happy. I don't need to wait for hours to use washroom. Here is no one to wake me early. I can sleep on whole bed. I'm very happy, but here is no one to tease me by calling swine. No one to fight on small things. Jimin sadly chuckled. I'm missing your hands' food. Here's food has no taste. I wish you all are here. Here's weather is so romantic. Director, Jimin, come, your shoot is ready. Yoongi, go and give your shoot. I'm here with babies and sleep well. They both were missing each other a lot. This small distance made them closer and realized that their love for each other. They realized how incomplete they were without each other. Time skipped at next day. Jimin was shooting a romantic scene with his co-actor. Director was instructing them. Jimin was missing Yoongi and Tea cook. He wasn't listening anything. Director, Jimin, do you understand? Jimin flinched hard. What? Director, Jimin, where are you lost? Focus on the scene. Explained him again. Jimin, sorry, it won't happen again. Director, roll, camera, action. Actor, while holding Jimin's hands, I really love you a lot. Leaned closer to Jimin. Tea cook shouted, Mama! Jimin looked at Tea cook. Titi, Cookie, you here? Tea pushed the actor. No touch, Mama! Cook picked the mic and started running behind the actor.
Only Tata touch Mama. No, you. Pat, Uncle.
Actor while running. I was acting.
Jimin, save me. Who are they?
T picked another prop and started running behind the actor.
Titi, no, leave. Batman.
Started beating him. Jimin, Ash, Titi, Cookie, stop babies. He isn't doing anything. Director, stop it. What's happening here? Who are they? Yoongi, sorry sir, actually they are my sons. T grabbed Yoongi's sleeve and dragged him to Jimin.
Only Tata Mama movie. No Tippy Mama Tata.
Cookie gave him rose.
Tata, see Mama love you.
Jimin, Cookie, Titi, baby listen. T pushed Yoongi on his knees.
Tata, see fast.
Cookie,
Tata love Mama. Mama love Tata. Cookie, la la la.
everyone smiled to hear him. T,
Tata, see fast na.
Yoongi, clown, I never thought it in my worst nightmare that I would ever say you this, but I can't handle these little devils alone. I need you. I'm habitual to see your clown face after waking up. There is no fun to use washroom quickly without waiting hours. We are already parents. Will you marry me and make my life hell by your taunts? I want to be scared of your mask face. I want you to call me in my very important meeting and ask how to cook food, and I will tease you throughout my life. Jimin took the rose. I didn't thought I will fall in love with swine, but it's okay. I will handle you. After all, I want the data of my kids and your hands food. Director while rubbing his arms. Wow, I never saw this much romantic proposal ever. What romantic nickname they gave each other. Clown, swine. T looked at everyone.
Now close your eyes.
Director, but why? Cook,
Mama Tata kissy kissy. No see. Close your eyes fast.
everyone smiled and closed their eyes. Yoongi pulled Jimin closer by his waist and pulled him in long, messy but passionate kiss. What began as a rivalry, forced and bitter, ended in something none of them expected. Not just love between two stubborn souls, but a family, messy, loud, troublesome, and perfect in its own way. Sometimes life forces us into responsibilities we never asked for, but in the process, we discover family, love, and a new version of ourselves. True love isn't always about grand confessions, it's about standing side by side, sharing struggles, laughter, and messy little miracles. Even enemies can become the best partners when their hearts unite for the ones they love and want to protect them. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. You must be missing Cookie's cute voice and naughtiness now. And past few videos I couldn't add are cuties, so thought to give Yunmin double attack. Don't forget to tell me how's it. BBT Cook are best, aren't they? They made rude mafia king and arrogant actor fall in love and beat the poor actor who was just doing his job. Handling tea cook is the toughest work, and if they are like tea cook, then it's end. But Yunmin deserved that. Hobie and Namjin were best actors. Tea cook were only 2 years, but they understood their task perfectly and became Cupid. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.